आराम से बैठ जाइए. Gently close your eyes, sit straight. You're sitting in a cross-legged posture. A gentle smile on your face. लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और धीरे धीरे बाहर. Become aware of the whole body and surroundings. पूरे शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाते हैं. और relax your whole body. Observe your breathing. अपने श्वास की गति के प्रति भी सजग हो जाइए. Again and again realize that this body is a beautiful gift from the divine. Honor and respect this body. यह शरीर परमात्मा के द्वारा दिया हुआ बहुत ही सुंदर उपहार है. इसका सम्मान करें. Be still. Check your hand position. Palms facing the sky. Spine erect, body relaxed. Relax your facial muscles, relax your back. And just be still for some time. Take a sankalpa to be still. Slowly and gently inhale and exhale effortlessly. Once again, inhale, hold your breath, tightly hold it. And exhale and relax. Once again, inhale, hold your breath. Exhale and relax. Vishram kare. Now let's get ready for the final round. Do it according to your own capacity. Slowly inhale, hold your breath tightly. Exhale and relax. Vishram kare. Now take one normal breath in. Slowly let go. Relax more and more. Gently let go of the breath awareness for some time and bring your whole attention to this body. Feel the presence of the divinity. Feel the life force. The movement of prana. The aliveness. What a privilege to be alive. Honor your life, your time here on this planet. And take one more gentle breath in, slowly let go. एक और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Gently we'll move our attention to the different organs of the body. Just gentle awareness. Move your attention to the both the feet, knees, thighs, both the legs completely. Pelvic area, abdomen. The whole back region, top of the head, back of the head, and the whole body. And the whole body at once. Feel the relaxation. एक और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Relax more and more. And gently let go of the bodily awareness and become aware of the state of your mind. मन में जो कुछ भी चल रहा है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाते हैं. Observe the different thoughts that are arising and dissolving. Accept all the thoughts. Do not judge your thoughts, let them be. Do not resist them. Now move your attention to the emotions. अपनी भावनाओं पर भी अपना ध्यान लेकर जाते हैं. जो भी जैसे भी भावनाएं आ रही हैं, just observe that like a witness. Either you're feeling good, bad, comfort, discomfort, it's okay. Do not oppose any emotion. Let it be. One more gentle breath in, slowly let go. Let go of this awareness of the body, thoughts, emotions, and realize that you are not this body, you are not these thoughts, you are not these emotions. Anything that is changing, that is not who you are. Then who am I? Ask this question and stay with this question. Do not be in a hurry to know the answer. And relax more and more. You are peace, you are love, and you are joy. You are that love, that energy which you are searching outside. You are the source of it. Become aware of this nature of your consciousness. And relax and repose in yourself. अपने आप में विश्राम करें. One more gentle breath in, slowly let go. Gently become aware of the whole body and surroundings, and slowly and steadily, whenever you feel complete. एक और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Feel grateful for this human life, this breath, and everything. Let us share our love and blessings with the whole world and pray for the well-being of this world. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. धीरे धीरे become aware of the whole body and surrounding. whenever you feel complete, gently open your eyes. Take your time, आराम से अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं.